We were literally in there for 15 minutes, if even that. I mean, the only thing they grabbed was a tote that had blankets in it. That's it. Umbrellas. That's it. There's nothing else in that video.
Hi to your video. Oh my god,
video.
selfish.
Como estas? Como estas?
Bien too!
Jeez. You know, we're just gonna pretend that in all these videos, this looks better than it does, okay? So we're gonna pretend. We have 2 days left till we leave, and we realized that it's a long drive. We have 16 hours from here until our stop in Cheyenne, and then 13 hours from Cheyenne to Chicago, and we're a little worried that, because we just got our car window broken into, that someone's gonna break into our car again. And so we want to make sure the minute we arrive in Chicago, you know, one of the most dangerous cities in the world, that we're able to unload all of our stuff like instantly. And we don't want to do that in the middle of the night because, you know, again, don't want someone to see us unloading all of our life stuff. Excuse me, that is not a toy. This is not a toy, you know that? No, it's not a toy, okay? You ready to go on a road trip? You ready for a real long road trip? You ready? This isn't a toy either. What about you, Braids? Are you excited for another road trip? You excited? You ready? Huh? Phoebe's still playing outside. How am I supposed to pack when there's a big braids in the way, huh? All right, we are out of here. We just did our last final walkthrough in time to go to Cheyenne. Mikey's doing the lockbox because we're getting out of here. All right, we're at stop number 1 in the middle of, I think we're still in Oregon, right, babe?
Outskirts of Oregon and Idaho.
Ooh, little kitty's getting a little snacky. Look what they had.
No, I'm super stoked on that.
We love these. This is our favorite. These are real pukey babies. Huh? Brady did some real good pukies in there. Cleaned it as well as I can. What did they just say?
They have no water in town.
No water in town, so we can't pee. How are we supposed to pee, Mike?
I don't know.
This is where we had to pee, in a porta potty outside a hospital. We made it. Michael's gonna run in and grab us our lunch dinner only meal of the day, because then we're gonna knock out. We woke up. It is 1:30 in the morning, our time we were going to get up to leave to make it into Chicago right before the sun set, and we woke up this morning to something peculiar. It was just snowing, but it looks like it just stopped, but it's gonna keep snowing till the afternoon. But There's our little car down there with our little cover on it. We're not leaving now. It is 3:45 and we are now on our way to Chicago. We got a lot of sleep. Cats got to stretch their little leggies, and now we are on our way.
We are in Nebraska at the moment after staying in Wyoming.
It is about 1:30 and we are passing through Des Moines right now. It's a little freaky because just 6 hours ago there was a major tornado that came through right here, killing 6 people. It's just a little freaky. We completely missed the storm. We are behind it the whole time. They were predicting like rainstorms and thunder and lightning the entire drive, but we didn't get any of it. Missed it all. We had a tiny bit of snow for like the first hour, and then that was it, and now nothing. We have 4 people and 2 children died in the tornado. It's just a little crazy how we missed it.
And we were delayed 12 hours.
We were delayed 12 hours, so
Would have been right in front of it.
so we don't know if that's a good sign. We don't know if I don't know. It's weird, freaked me out, but we're okay, so that's good. This is our last gas stop before our 30-hour road trip is done. I'm so ready to be done. Michael's ready to be done. The cats are ready to be done. Just want to be not in a car for a very long time. But we're ending with a bang because the last gas station is the largest truck stop in the world. How you doing, babe? What time is it?
It is 6:06 a.m.
We haven't slept all night. All day, all night. So it's really cool. We have the Brown Line train right outside, which is really nice and really convenient. So here we are. We got this room, which we're calling the cat's room because we don't go in it at all. And the cat's like looking out this window, and this is where their kitty litter is, and we do keep some stuff in that closet. But then we go here to our bedroom, and look who it is. It's a real sheepy boy. Hi, Braids. You want to say hi? Oh, you want to say hi to everybody? Oh, you're such a love bug. Oh, that feels real good. All right, so in here, there's our bedroom. Pretty nice. There's a good closet in here. Walk in here. There's a handsome boy right there. This is where he does his work every day. And there's Phoebe using one of the little windows. Phoebe. Oh! Subreddit startled caps. Oh! Got you in your head too. All right, so I come over here. Have a pretty good sized kitchen. Their appliances are top freaking notch, which is really, really, really nice. They got the Duo Keurig, really nice fridge. So this right here is the living room. It's pretty good. A lot of these little windows, which is nice. Got a laundry room, which I know makes me sound like an old person for getting excited about this. But look how nice it is. Oh, it's so nice. Like, look at this. Look how we start this. Let's see. I have a load in there right now. Let's do it. Normal. Hot, normal. Cool, cool, cool. Start. Tell me that's not fancy. That's fancy. Come on, Phoebes. We're going to show them the bathroom. Oh, big stretchy. So this is the bathroom. So nice. I have I think it's called a rain shower. One, it's like huge. And they have a rain shower. So nice. I'm also a sucker for plenty of space for all my appliances and all my shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that. Phoebe likes going in there, but we're not gonna let her do that. Nope. Oh. Now you're gonna have wet kitty paws everywhere. Oh well. So then we come here, and they got another exit that's double doored. And then there's another door, and then there's a third door. So it's nice and safe.